So it is Valentine's Day. I have a few things for the boys, but they're still asleep. So I'm gonna start my day, and I need to clean up the kitchen. So I'm gonna get my lemon water and then clean the kitchen and then go get the boys up. Cheers. So I pretty much got the kitchen cleaned up. So they each have a little Skittles heart. And then they have like a cookie house they can put together. Looks like Kyle got his surprise. Put it on his work boots this morning. Get the boys up. Happy Valentine's Day. Classroom. We just cleaned it up yesterday. There's Maddox's desk, Jagger's, mine, Mason's, Colin's, and that's the play area.
Okay, guys. We are making pancakes and eggs. Where's the eggs in here, Mom? Fidget spinner. If you hold on. If you do this, it spins like that.
Set it up. Colin's still doing math. Wait, Colin.
Oh, yeah.
Next, look. Jagger just put, my brother, Jagger, he just put salt in my drink. Jagger, why did you do that? Tell me why. Shit, look at the camera.
He got it. So you can have a salt stomach. The camera. So we're gonna just do them.
Alright, people. This is mine right here. And that pancake's on in my mouth, right?
Are you ready?
Oh yeah. Daddy's gonna shoot us over there.
We have to step from there to touch that, and we have to get back. So we're gonna, from the fridges, we have to run all the way to the punching bag, touch the punching bag, come all the way back without getting shot.
And then you win.
If you get across, then you win.
You're gonna do it. Can I hold the camera one? Subscribe.
You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
So, you ready, guys? We are ready for an adventure. We are ready to go.
There's another one over here.
Ready to go.
Are you ready, Mason?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
That's the head! You didn't get me.
Okay, get him! Get him!
I did it! No!
Ah, that got you right in the head.
I know.
Trying to get away
Let me
from
see
it.
your head.
Right there.
Ding.
Alright, my turn.
Okay, Colin's turn. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm gonna run out of bullets. You better run. Come on, scary cat.
The skinny cat.
Oh!
I did it! Yes!
That trash can saved you. It was like, bing, right off the trash can. Look, your mom hit the top of the trash can right there. Bing! That little whip just saved you. Yes.